Welcome back, everybody. In this episode, we're going to install ARP wheel studs on the Civic Time Attack car and why this is a good idea for any car going on the track. Stay tuned. What we're going to do before we press the hub into the new wheel bearings and the spindles is we're going to put ARP studs into these hubs. Reason for this for a track car is the factory studs that were in this hub were, in the case of this one, 22 years old. Probably had wheels torqued, could be 100 times. You never know if somebody's just impacted them on with an impact gun and stretched the studs. Always a good idea to put fresh wheel studs on your car, especially one that's going to the track regularly like this car will. So hang in there, we'll press these in and get the studs that we're using on this Honda are the ARP. There's the model number there. 100-7712. This is for a 5-pack. I got these from Driver's Edge Motorsport in my hometown of Vancouver here if you're in the area. So Frank there's great. Got all this stuff in stock ready to go. Okay, so we'll take our freshly painted and cleaned up hub here and our brand new ARP wheel studs and we'll press them in. In my case, I've got a little 10-ton press, makes quick work of this, so we'll knock these out and get this all pressed together. There we go. 5 wheel studs pressed into the hub. All ready to go. We'll get this jigged up to press these hubs into the spindles and new wheel bearings. I want to make sure that you get them fully seated here as well. In this case, I've used a small press. You can also use a hammer and just hammer them in there, or a lug nut on the other side of the spacer to pull them through. I don't like the lug nut method personally. I've used the hammer one, but I've got this small press here, so why not use it?